Alright, so unfortunately I haven't recorded a whole lot past week or so. I've cleaned the interior. It's turned out much better. The transmission was bad. It was missing the transmission pan. So ordered a remanufactured transmission from Toyota. It's $3,500 after the Ford. So got everything back in. Transfer case, and there's the transmission. Pretty sure we got everything buttoned up. Got a shield to put on here. Right here, right there. To get it out, this was in the way. My bolts were too rusty to remove the exhaust, so I cut it here. And I cut it here. And then welded it back in. And we got the jack the back up. Check our levels. I'm pretty sure we have everything in the back. We pulled the starter out through here. Once you remove this, you can slide it out, once you remove the heat shielding and stuff. But yeah. Look pretty good. I'll get a video when we start it up and hopefully see it move for the first time. So we'll see.